Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about some amazing tips and tricks to help you complete your summer tasks on time. Whether it's a big project, reading assignments, or practice exercises, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Our first tip is to create a plan. Having a clear plan can make a huge difference. Start by listing all your tasks and their due dates. Use a calendar or planner to break down your tasks into smaller, manageable pieces. Allocate specific days and times for each task. This way, you can track your progress and stay on top of your work. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in ensuring you don't leave everything until the last minute. Tip number 2 is to set goals. Setting achievable goals can keep you motivated and focused. Set daily or weekly goals for what you want to accomplish. For example, finish reading chapter 1 or complete math worksheet. Make sure your goals are specific and realistic. When you achieve a goal, give yourself a small reward. This will make the process more enjoyable and keep you motivated. Tip number 3 is to create a dedicated study space. Find a quiet, well-lit area free from distractions where you can focus on your work. Keep your study space organized with all the supplies you need, like pencils, paper, and textbooks, within reach. A clutter-free space can help you concentrate better and be more productive. Tip number 4 is to use a timer. This can help you manage your time effectively. Set a timer for a specific amount of time, such as 25 minutes, and focus solely on your task during that period. When the timer goes off, take a short break. This technique, known as the Pomodoro technique, can improve your focus and productivity. Using a timer can make daunting tasks feel more manageable and help prevent burnout. Tip number 5 is to stay organized. Keeping your materials and assignments in order is crucial. Use folders, binders, or digital tools to keep track of your assignments and notes. Tip number 6 is to ask for help when needed. Stuck on a task or don't understand something, don't hesitate to ask a teacher, parent, or friend for help. Tip number 7 is to stay positive and take breaks. Maintaining a positive attitude can make a big difference in how you approach your tasks. Let's recap the tips we've covered today. 1. Create a plan. 2. Set goals. 3. Create a study space. 4. Use a timer. 5. Stay organized. 6. Ask for help. 7. Stay positive and take breaks. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to completing your summer tasks on time and with less stress. Remember, the key is to stay organized, manage your time wisely, and maintain a positive attitude. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Comment below with your own tips for managing school tasks or any questions you have. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a great summer and good luck with your tasks. See you in the next video.